In this video, we will continue to discuss how to divide decimals. Let's have a look at this. We have 15 hundredths divided by 3. We can think of this as money. If I have 15 cents and I need to share it with 3 friends, or if I have to divide 15 cents into 3 equal parts, let's use what we already know. We know that 15 divided by 3 is 5. Therefore, we know our answer has to have a 5 in it somewhere. Well, if I divided 15 cents among 3 friends, 5 would be too big of an answer. 5/10 or 50 cents would also be too big of an answer. So my only option will be 5 hundredths. So each one of my friends will get 5 cents or 5 hundredths. Therefore, how many times does 3 fit into 15 hundredths? 5 hundredths. Let's have a look at this one. If I had, and again thinking of money, $4.08 divided by 4. How many times will 4 fit into $4.08? Or you can think I have to share $4.08 between my 4 friends. Well, I know already that 4 will fit into $4 one time, so each friend will get at least $1, and then I know I have 8 cents left. If I divide my 8 cents among my 4 friends, each person will get 2 more cents. Be careful, it's 2 cents or 2 hundredths and not 2 tenths. Therefore, 4 and 8 hundredths divided by 4 equals 1 and 2 hundredths, or $1.02. In this scenario, I have 54 hundredths divided by 6. This is one of our facts that we know, and we know already that 6 will fit into 54 9 times. We know, too, that 9 will be too big for this. I only have 54 cents, so there's no way each friend is getting $9. Each friend can't get 90 cents either, or 9/10. That's still too big. So the only option that makes sense in this case is that each person is going to get 9 hundredths. Therefore, how many times does 6 fit in to 54 hundredths? 9 hundredths of a time. If we look at this one, we have 7 hundredths divided by 7. How many times will 7 fit into 7 hundredths? Not even once. Or you can think of it this way. We have 7 cents divided among 7 friends. Each friend, sadly enough, is only going to get a penny, or 1 hundredth. So 7/10 divided by 7 equals 1 hundredths. Here, it gets a little bit more complicated, but let's have a look. We know that we can always add a 0 after our decimal, and it doesn't change the value. So let's think of this as money. We have $10.80, and we need to share it with our 9 friends. Well, if we pull out $9 from that $10.80 and divide it between our 9 friends, each friend gets $1. But then what do we have left over? We still have $1.80, and we need to share it with our 9 friends. Looking at that, I can see that the number 18, and we know that 9 fits into 18 twice. So we know there has to be a 2 in our answer. 2 is too big. 20 cents sounds just right. So each friend will also get 20 cents from that $1.80. Altogether, therefore, each person is going to get $1.20. So 10 and 8/10 divided by 9 is 1 and 2/10, or if you think of it as money, $1.20. If we look at this, any number divided by 2 simply means half. So what is half of 2 and 46 hundredths? The answer will be half of 2 is 1, and half of 46 hundredths will be 23 hundredths. Therefore, how many times does 2 fit into 2 and 46 hundredths? it's 1 and 23 hundredths of a time. My last example is 1 and 6 tenths divided by 5. Again, if I wanted to refer to this as money, I could put a 0 behind there, so I have $1.60 and I need to share it with my 5 friends. Well, I know that I see the number 16 there, or 16 tenths. That's not too friendly with 5, but I know that 15 tenths is, or $1.50. I know that 5 fits into 15 3 times, therefore 5 will fit into $1.50 3 tenths of a time. I then realize, okay, I have 10 cents left over, and if I need to share my 10 cents between my 5 friends, each person is also going to get 2 cents. So I have 3 tenths, and then I have 2 hundredths. So altogether, each person, if I'm sharing $1.60 between my 5 friends, is going to get 32 cents. So how many times will 5 fit into 1 and 6 tenths? It's 32 hundredths of a time.